How to reset an iPhone password using your laptop. So if you're locked out of your iPhone, I'll show you how to restore this using your computer. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your computer like this, open up your Start menu, search for Microsoft Store and click on this window. Now click on the search box and search for Apple devices. You then need to click on the Apple Devices app, and you'll need to click on the blue Get button to install this onto your computer. Once it's finished installing, open up the app. Now, once you've opened up the app, you should see this page here. We can then head over to our iPhone and you'll need to grab a USB-C cable. Now plug one end of the cable into your iPhone and the other end into your laptop. Now make sure your iPhone is turned on and then you need to press down the following key combination. So you'll need to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your iPhone. Now continue to hold this button down until the iPhone screen goes black. Even when the screen goes black, continue to hold this button down. You should see the Apple logo appear, keep holding the button down, and after about 10 more seconds, you'll see this recovery page appear. If it doesn't work the first time round, then you'll need to repeat these steps. Now, once you see the recovery screen on your iPhone, you can head over to your computer. You'll get this pop-up message that says there was a problem with your iPhone. Now what you can do is you can click on this restore button and you can go and reset your iPhone back to its factory settings. Now by doing this, this will remove your account and then you can go and set up a new password.